Sort two-dimensional shapes. You're going to need crowns for today's lesson. This is lesson 14.6 in math. You can use crowns or color pencils. Please do not use markers. It's going to bleed through your book. It says, how can you use attributions to show two-dimensional shapes? Use red, blue, and yellow. So to color the different kinds of shapes. So you're going to need red, blue, and yellow. If you don't have that with you right now, you can pause the video and go grab it. Okay, now that everyone is back and they have what they need, let's start with red. Use red to color the quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals have how many sides, class? 4. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides. So I'm going to write 4 here next to quadrilateral. And then all of them with 4 sides, I'm going to neatly color red. So, let's look. This has 4 sides, so this needs to be colored red, the square. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. This rectangle has 4. Color that red. Because quadrilateral is any shape with 4 sides where all sides are connected. This rhombus has 4. Color that red. Okay. Let's see, what else? This pentagon has 5. Nope. This trapezoid has 4. I'm going to color that red. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Okay. This triangle has 3, not coloring that. Hexagon has 6. This triangle has 3. This rectangle has 4. I'm coloring that. Red. Alright, this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a hexagon. I'm not coloring that red. Now let's move on to the blue. Use blue to color the pentagons. So pentagon means how many sides? 5. Very good. So let's write 5 next to pentagon. And then I'm going to color all the shapes with 5 sides. What color? Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a pentagon. I'll color that blue. And I know you guys can't color as fast as I can because I'm using a computer. I'm kind of cheating. So that's okay. I will give you some extra time when I'm done. I'm not going to move forward. I'll give you time to finish. And onliners, you can pause the video and finish coloring, and then you can unpause. Okay? All right, here, this is 5 sides. It's a pentagon. Color that blue. Here, it has 6 sides. That's a hexagon. Here has 3 sides. That's a triangle. Nope, 3 sides. That's a triangle. And this is 6 sides. That's a hexagon. So we only have 2 pentagons, right? 2 blue. The next color is yellow. Again, do not feel like I am rushing you. Take your time. It's okay. Hexagons have 6. So what are you going to write next to hexagon? 6. So all of the shapes with 6 sides, you're going to color yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is definitely a hexagon. Color that yellow. This has 3 sides. Nope. This one has 3 sides. Nope. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So that's a hexagon. I'll color that yellow. So we have 2 hexagons. What about the triangles, Miss Yusuf? What do I do with those? No, you just don't color them at all because it doesn't say color them. Just leave them blank. If you color them whatever color, you're going to get confused later. I would just leave them blank because they don't say anything about triangles. And that's it with your coloring. So if you need some extra time coloring, pause the video now. Okay, now that we're done with the coloring, which shapes have fewer than 8 sides? So the shapes that have fewer than 8 sides, you're going to circle them. Fewer means less than 8 sides, right? Okay, so let's look at this. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6. Is that less than 8 sides? Yes. So circle it. I would just go ahead and write 6 in it like I did, so it's easier to see. How about this one? This is called a what? Octagon. It has how many sides? 8 sides. Is 8 fewer than 8? No, that's the same as 8. It's equal to 8, so we don't do anything there. Let's look at this one. 1, 2, this is the side, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 sides. Does that have less than 8? No. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that less than 8? Yes. What do I do? Circle it. What about this pentagon? How many sides does a pentagon have? 5. Is that less than 8? Circle it. Pretty easy, right? Circle the shapes that have exactly 4 sides. Guys, please make sure you're underlining or boxing those keywords. Exactly 4 sides. Draw an X on the shapes that have more than 4 vertices. Let's do the first step and then we'll do the second step. Circle the shapes that have exactly 4 sides. Does this one have exactly 4 sides? Yes. So we're going to circle it. Does this one have exactly 4 sides? Does this one have exactly 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope. Does this one have exactly 4 sides? So we're going to circle it. Does this one have exactly 4 sides? So we're going to circle it. Now let's read the second step. Draw an X on the shapes that have more than 4 vertices. So if it has more than 4 vertices. Does this have more than 4 vertices? No, it only has 3. Does this one have more than 4 vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It does. So we're going to draw a X on it. And we don't have to look at these because these have exactly 4. This one says more than 4. Okay? So if you just break it up step by step, it'll be okay. It's not too hard. Circle the shapes that have more than 4 sides. So more than 4 sides. I'm going to do that first and then I'll read the second part. So circle the shapes that have more than 4 sides. Does this one have more than 4 sides? No, this one has exactly 4 sides. Does this one have more than 4 sides? No, this one has exactly 4 sides. Does this one have more than 4 sides? No, that has 3 sides. Does this one have more than 4 sides? Yes, it has how many sides? 5 sides. So I'm going to circle it. Does this one have more than 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it does. So I'm going to circle that. Draw an X on the shapes that have exactly 4 vertices. So an X on the ones that have exactly 4. Does this one have exactly 4 vertices? Yes, circle those vertices for me, please. That shows me that you know what a vertex is. So circle that. I mean, X that. Draw an X on the shape that have exactly 4 vertices. So this one has exactly 4. Put an X on that. And that one has 3, and these two already have 5. So when you circle the vertices or cross out the lines, you're showing me that's how you show your work. When you write the number of sides inside of the shape, that shows me you're showing your work. I know sometimes it seems like too easy and basic. Like, Miss Yusuf, duh, a triangle has 3. Do I really need to write that? It shows me you're thinking. It shows me you're thinking the right way. Because if you get the answer wrong, I can understand why you got it wrong if you show your work. But if you don't show your work, I have no idea why you got it wrong. I assume because you guessed. All right, let's look at 3. Circle the shapes that have exactly 6 vertices. So let's start there. Exactly. I'm going to box that. Circle. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Does this one have exactly 6? So I'm going to circle that. Okay, let's see this one. Does it have 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it does have exactly 6. So I'm going to circle it. Let's see this one. Does it have exactly 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. See this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope. Let's see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. All right, now draw an X on the shapes that have fewer than 6 sides. So smaller than 6. Is 8 smaller than 6? No. Is 5 smaller than 6? X. Pretty easy, right? You just have to know how to count vertices and lines. As long as you know what a vertice is, vertices are the points, and as long as you know what a side is, or the lines are, then this should be pretty simple. All right, I'm going to give you a minute to do number 4 by yourself, and then we'll look at it together. Go ahead and pause the video now. All right, let's look at some of these together. It says circle the shapes that have more than 8 sides. So this one is obviously a pentagon. It has 5 sides. Let's look at this one. I wanted to count this one with you. It has 1, sorry, oops, why is it not coloring? Oh, here it is, sorry. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This little thing is a side, guys. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This one has 11 sides. It is kind of cool. So is that more than 8? Yeah. Circle it. Let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that more than 8? Yes. Circle that. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that more than 8? No. No. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that more than 8? That's the same, equal to 8. Let's see the second part. Draw an X on the shapes that have exactly 8 vertices. Which one has exactly 8? The octagon, the last one. So we're going to, I'm sorry, not circle it, exit. My bad. Exit. Okay. Mitch is playing a shape game. Each side is worth a nickel. Circle the shapes that are each worth 25 cents. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. So he's playing a game. He has to circle the shapes that makes 25 cents. Each side is worth 5 cents. So let's see this. If this is 5 cents, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Is this one worth 25 cents? Yes. Circle the shapes that are each worth 25 cents. Okay, so we're going to do what? We're going to circle it. What about this one? 5, 10, 15, 20. Does that equal 25 cents? No. Close. Let's look at this one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Is that 25 cents? Circle that. Let's look at this one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Is that worth 25 cents? Circle that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Is that worth 25 cents? Nope. Pretty easy, right? When you guys read this, you were like, oh no, gulp, right? It's really not that hard. All right, draw 3 shapes that match the rule. Circle them. Then draw 2 shapes that do not match the rule. Shapes with, the rule is shapes with fewer than 6 sides. So you're going to draw 3 shapes with fewer than 6 sides. What's one? Who can raise their hand and tell me one shape that's fewer than 6 sides? Bernaya. A hexagon is fewer than 6? No. Okay. It's the same as 6. What's fewer than 6, JC? A triangle. So we're going to draw a triangle. Okay, we have to draw 3 shapes. That's one shape. Okay, Rena, what's another one? A pentagon. How much does a pentagon have? 5. Remember, let me show you how to draw a pentagon. You draw a roof, and then you draw the straight line down, like the wall. Straight line down, like the wall, and then the floor. That's 5. Okay, what's another shape? Dominic. A rectangle or a square could have been right, right? JC, what were you going to draw? Square, that could have been right too. Okay, and then it says when you're done drawing them, circle them. Then draw two shapes that do not match the rule. So now, what two shapes do not match the rule? A hexagon or a octagon. Very good. So let's draw a hexagon. I'm going to show you how to do a hexagon again. I'll do it slowly, step by step. Hexagon. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's not a hexagon. What is that? I probably need to look at a hexagon again. That's what I need to do. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay, outside. Sorry. Let's try that again. Maybe you guys need to teach me how to draw a hexagon. Okay, just kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you want me to do it? Who wants me to do it again? Raise your hand if you want me to do it again. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Straight line. Look, look. Straight 1, and then slanted 2. Other slant 3. Slant inside 4. Slant inside 5. And then connect at the bottom 6. An octagon. Watch as I draw an octagon. You ready? Octagon. Sorry. An octagon looks like this. 1, 2, 3. Here you're going to draw a straight line down. 4, straight line down. 5, inside. 6, inside. 7, touch at the bottom. 8. That's an octagon. Hexagon has 6, an octagon has 8. Easy schmeezy lemon squeezy. Okay, so now you're going to do page 520 through 522 on your own. Do not work on the purple page today. You guys will do that on Monday and take the test on Monday. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you later. Bye.